here we have ninth one.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ
Okay, okay.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಈಗ.
Hmm. Okay. We started recording. So the question is like this. It is similar to previous column. There we have a difference of real and imaginary part like this. U minus V. See here. See U minus V they have given. We find it f of z. So in this question, find the statement was they have given. They have not given in terms of equation. Statement they have given. Find the analytic function. Okay, this is fine. So we need to find f of z. So as a function of z, given that sum of its real and imaginary parts, sum of its real and imaginary parts is x cube minus y cube plus 3xy of x minus y. Okay, see, they have given sum of its real and imaginary. Real is nothing but u, imaginary is nothing but v. So u plus v is equal to x cube minus y cube plus 3xy of x minus y. So what we need to find? Analytic function. That means f of z we need to find. So first we will simplify and write this u plus v. So what is u plus v? X cube minus y cube plus 3xy of x minus y. See, x cube minus y cube plus 3x square y. When you remove the bracket like this, we'll get then minus 3x y square. So like this, we have an expression. See, we remove the bracket so that we'll get x cube minus y cube plus 3xy of x minus y as x cube minus y cube plus 3x square y minus 3x y square. Now we'll differentiate this with respect to x and y partially, as you know very well. So whatever given thing, let it be only real part they have given or imaginary part they have given, or both in terms of addition or subtraction, whatever they have given. Our first step is we need to differentiate it with respect to x and with respect to y partially.
ಸರ್
So when
ವಾಯ್ಸ್
you
ತುಂಬಾ
do
ಲೋ ಆಗಿ
differentiation,
ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್.
okay, increase ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರು. ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಫುಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆ, ಲೋ ಆಗಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಮಧು ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ ನೋಡು.
ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇರೋ ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೌಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್.
Yes. Now can you hear me? ಈಗ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈಗ ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes sir.
Right, okay.
Yes sir, it's audible sir.
Okay. Okay, now when you do partial differentiation, so with respect to x and y partially, so what we'll get, see here we have a expression x cube minus y cube plus 3x square y minus 3x y square. So it gives ux plus vx, correct? So ux plus vx with respect to x we are doing no for that. Now x cube differentiation, 3x square, x power n is n into x power n minus 1, so that we applied. Then y cube is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0, so that is neglected. Next, differentiation of 3x square y, 3 is constant, y is constant. Now x square differentiation 2x, so 2 3s are 6, so it is 6x y. Next, minus 3x y square, so minus is constant, 3 is constant, y square is constant, so all we kept as it is, but differentiation of x is 1, so minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 y square. So this is about equation number 1. So next one is with respect to y we need to do differentiation. So when you do with respect to y differentiation, so what we'll get, uy plus vy is equal to, so same thing, x cube is constant because with respect to y we are doing, so that will not get. Now differentiate with respect to y for y cube, so it is 3y square, so it is minus 3y square. Then 3x square into 1, correct, differentiation of y is 1 with respect to y. Next minus 3 into yx into differentiation of y square is 2y, so we'll get 3 2s are 6, so minus 6xy we got. Okay, this is about uy vy and ux vx. So we got two equations. Now the main thing is how to find f of z. So we all know we find it f of z by integrating f dash of z, correct? So like this we have done so many problems. So we need f dash of z. So what is f dash of z? F dash of z is ux plus I into vx, correct? F dash of z is ux plus I into vx. Now see the equations. We have ux vx and uy vy. We need ux separately and vx separately. So we need to express these two equations like ux vx, uy vy in terms of ux vx. So first equation already is in terms of ux vx, so no need to change. But second equation, that is uy plus vy, this equation we need to change in terms of ux and vx. So with the help of what? With the help of CR equations, we're going to change it. So how to change uy vy? So we have CR equations. I'll write and show. Ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy. So when you multiply minus on both the sides, here minus, here plus, you'll get. So in the place of vy, we can write ux. So write please. Using CR equation for LHS of this equation, so we get vy is equal to ux and uy is equal to minus ux. So when you replace these two values in above equation, it will give, yes, it will give minus vx, correct? Minus vx, and this is plus ux is equal to minus 3y square plus 3x square minus 6xy. So now this equation will represent by 2. So this is equation number 2. Okay. Now what is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 LHS is ux plus vx. Equation number 2 LHS is, see, minus vx plus ux. No, so it is minus vx here plus ux. Now this is a linear equation in two variable formation. Linear equation in two variable form. Okay, so how we will find? So already you have done in 10th standard, 12th standard. So basics it is, we have like this expression, correct? X plus y or x minus y. So how we going to do? With the help of elimination method. So minus y plus y get cancelled, you will find x. Similarly, when you subtract this y will get cancelled to give x y value. So like that we have done elimination method. Similarly here also, see, already plus vx it is there, here minus vx is there, no need to subtract. So when you add only, so what happen? Minus vx plus vx get cancelled to give ux plus ux 2 times of ux, correct? So see, this is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So I'll underline it, equation number 1, equation number 2. So when you add, students, see, directly we have done. See, since it is addition, it is easy only, directly you can do, no need to write again and again. So when you add, what happened? See, plus vx minus vx get cancelled. Now ux plus ux 2 times of ux. So LHS is over. Now RHS. Now see the RHS part. So what we have? 3x square plus 3x square. Like terms, no? X square, like terms. So 3x square plus 3x square is 6x square. Similarly, minus 3xy, so minus 3y square minus 3y square is minus 6y square. Next, one more term is remaining. So 6xy minus 6xy get cancelled to give 2ux is equal to, what is common? 6 is common. So x square minus y square. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So ux is equal to 3 into x square 3x square minus 3 into y square 3y square. So we got ux is equal to 3x square minus 3y square. Correct. See, we need f dash of z. So for that only we are doing like this. So we got ux value. Now how to find vx value? See the expression. So what is LHS? We have ux plus vx. So when you add, you get ux value. So when you subtract, what happened? You will get vx value. See, when you interchange the signs, so here minus, here plus. I'll do directly here itself. See this, for all the terms in equation number 2, we need to change the signs. See, this is plus sign. Correct. When you subtract, what happened? This ux get cancelled to give vx plus vx, 2vx. No. So when you subtract, what happened? All the signs will get changed here in this equation number 2. So here plus sign, correct, here minus sign. So here plus sign, here minus sign, and here plus sign, because we are subtracting. Now see the equation. So this is equation number 1. Now when you subtract, what happen? Plus ux minus ux get cancelled to give vx. See, you need to take the signs which I have written in the bracket, which we wrote on the bracket. So vx plus vx is 2 times of vx. So we wrote as it is. Next, see, whatever will get cancelled, we'll see that one. Plus 3x square minus 3x square get cancelled. Next, minus 3y square plus 3y square get cancelled. Next, 6xy plus 6xy, it gives 12xy. Now 2 ones are 2 6 are. So what is vx? Vx is equal to 6xy. So we got 2 values. One is of ux, another is of vx. So we got 2 values there. Correct. Both ux, vx value we know. Now we have to consider f dash of z. As I said before, we know that f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. So what is ux value? 3x square minus 3y square plus I into 6xy plus I into 6xy. Now, as you know before, so what and all steps we repeated, that step by Milne-Thomson method, we'll put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. See, y is 0, so this is 0, correct? Similarly, this y is 0, 0 and anything 0. So only thing is 3z square. So we'll get f dash of z is equal to 3z square in the place of x, z, no. So only 3z square. So we got f dash of z. When you integrate, so integration and differentiation get cancelled to give f of z is equal to integration of 3 is constant, z square dz plus c. So 3 as it is constant, integration of z square, z cube divided by 3, correct? X power n integration is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So like that. So 3 get cancelled to give 3z. Sorry, 3 get cancelled, not that 3. This 3 get cancelled to give z cube plus c. So this is our answer. So those who have any doubts on this problem, you can ask, or else we'll move on to next problem. First, I'll explain next problem. So then if you have any doubts, you can ask. So these 2 points you need to write. One is this, another is expression, that is equation number 2. Yes, this is about the problem. Next problem. See, this problem is related to Cartesian form. So how I can say it is Cartesian form means the equation is with respect to x and y. Now see the 10th problem. If f of z is analytic, that is u of r comma theta, so they itself expressed r comma theta and v of r comma theta. So definitely it is a polar form. So given that u plus v is equal to 1 by r square of cos 2 theta minus sine 2 theta, where r not equal to 0, because when r is equal to 0, what happens? Infinity will get. So only under the condition r not equal to 0, they have given this equation, and determine the analytic function f of z, and determine the analytic function f of z. So same thing we're going to repeat. So what are the things going to change means only CR equations. One CR equations in polar form will get changed, and then f dash of z will get changed. So here f dash of z is e power minus I theta into ur plus I into vr. So this you should remember. This is very, very important. And CR equation in polar form, so that you know ur is equal to 1 by r v theta, then vr is equal to minus 1 by r u theta. So these formulas, when you know these two conditions, and also the procedure like put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. So this is common, like x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. Same thing we're going to repeat. So like that we're going to do. So step by step we'll follow now. So what is given? See, given u plus v, we need to find f of z. Simple. So the two in terms of polar form they have given. See, u plus v is equal to 1 by r square of cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. So when you do partial differentiation with respect to r, ur plus vr is equal to, this is constant now with respect to theta, so write as it is. Now what is this 1 by r square differentiation? When it moves to numerator, what happened? R power minus 2. What is r power minus 2 differentiation? N into x power n minus 1, correct? So minus 2 into r power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. So that equals minus 2 divided by r cube. So like this, we got minus 2 by r cube of cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. So this is about ur plus vr. Next, okay, just basic differentiation rule. So when you know that formula, it is easy to write. Next, with respect to theta, so u theta plus v theta is equal to 1 by r square is constant. So you just write 1 by r square, that minus 2 I'll tell how you got. So 1 by r square constant. Now I'll write here, so you can copy this. So here, cos 2 theta differentiation is cos ax differentiation minus a sin ax. So like that, minus 2 sin 2 theta. Okay. Next, minus sin 2 theta differentiation 2 cos 2 theta. So what is common? Minus 2 is common. So when you take minus 2 as outside, so minus 2 by r square of sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay. Minus 2 sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Minus 2 by r square sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. So this is how we got u theta plus v theta. Just differentiation of sin ax and cos ax. So when you know, you can do that one. So here minus 2 is common. No, see, minus 2 we took outside. So what sign will be there? There will be plus. So only we wrote in between plus there. Now we got these two equations. So as you know before, what we have done previously, uy plus vy formation will be there in the previous problem. So what we have done with the help of CR equation, we changed this in terms of ux and vx. So similarly here also, u theta and v theta we will change in terms of CR equations. Okay. So from using CR equations, so what we have, CR equations, I'll write and show. UR is equal, like this you need to remember, UR is equal to 1 by R V theta. So I need to change V theta. Okay, just V theta I need, so that I'll send R to other side. So R into UR is equal to V theta. Correct? See, that is what I wrote. V theta is equal to R into UR. Next, second equation. VR is equal to minus 1 by R U theta. Correct? So when you send R to other side, because we need just U theta, when you multiply minus, here minus will come, here plus will come. So R when you send other side, minus r VR is equal to u theta. So like this, minus u theta is equal to r VR, or u theta is equal to minus r VR. So both are possible. We can write that. Now, when you substitute in above equation, so what we will get? We'll get in the place of u theta, what we have? Minus r. See, u theta, when you multiply minus r VR we have. So it is minus r we have VR, plus in the place of v theta, you know, r into ur we wrote. Then this RHS part as it is we wrote. Now we need an expression in terms of ur and VR, correct? In terms of ur and VR. So what we'll do, we'll send r to other side. So when you send r to other side, what happens? It goes to denominator because r is common. Okay, see like this, when you take r as common, minus VR plus ur will get. When you send r to other side, positive term will write first, ur plus VR is equal to 1 over this denominator r will go. So r into r square is r cube. So it is minus 2 by r cube into sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Now, let us solve for ur and VR from 1 and 2. So let us solve for ur and VR from 1 and 2. So how to solve? See, first we'll write equation number 1 and equation number 2. See the equation number 1 that is missing here, I'll write. So this is equation number 1. Okay. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. So see the LHS part. So LHS part is ur plus VR and another one is ur minus VR, correct? ur minus VR. So linear equation in two variables. So when you add, plus VR minus VR cancel. When you subtract, plus ur minus ur get cancelled. So that is what we are doing. So first thing is we added these two equations. So when you add, what happened? Now see the expressions. You see these two. So plus VR minus VR get cancelled to two times of ur, correct? Ur plus ur is 2ur. Next, what is very common? Minus 2 by r cube. Minus 2 by r cube is very common. So when you take it outside, the remaining elements are cos 2 theta minus sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. So which one will get cancelled? This minus sine 2 theta plus sine 2 theta get cancelled to give cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta, 2 times of cos 2 theta. Already 2 is outside. So 2 2s are 4. See like this, we get 2 by r cube into 2 cos 2 theta. So 2 2s are 4. So it gives minus 4 by r cube into cos 2 theta. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are get cancelled to give minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta. So it is addition. It is easy only we have done. So if it is subtraction, so how to solve? Equation 1 minus equation 2. Now, as I said before, I need to change the signs, correct? So I need to change the sign. So what happened? This is equation number 1. So this is equation number 2. So when you change the signs in equation number 2, so what we'll get here? Minus will come. Here plus will come. So here minus is common for all the terms. So if you change for this minus, that is enough. So it is nothing but you change it for all the terms. So this will become plus. Okay. So now what happened? I'll tell the LHS part now. So LHS part plus ur minus ur get cancelled to give VR plus VR, that is 2VR. Okay. This is over. So now the first equation. So see the first equation, what we have. So here I have changed the sign. See here plus is there. Okay. As I said before, because it is subtraction. So it is plus sign. So this is plus sign. So now I'll write that equation minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta. So you need to write this because or else you'll not understand. Sine 2 theta. Then what we have next equation, plus 2 divided by r cube of cos 2 theta, sorry, sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay. Now, what terms will get cancelled? See the constant terms. See what is constant. I'll show you this expression, how you got. Like VR value, I'll show you. So now see what is common. Minus 2 by r cube, 2 by r cube. So minus is not common. So minus will not take. So 2 by r cube is common. So when you send 2 other side, inside what happened? Minus cos 2 theta plus sine 2 theta. Next, what sign we have here? Plus sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Close the bracket. Okay. It's a simplified step. These 2 steps you need to write. That's all. See which one will get cancelled? Minus cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta get cancelled. Get cancelled to give 2 by r cube. I'll write here 2 by r cube into sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta, 2 sine 2 theta. So what we have? 4 by r cube into sine 2 theta. 4 by r cube into sine 2 theta is our answer for 2 times of VR. 4 by r cube into sine 2 theta. So I hope you all copied. Yes, I'll erase it. Now see what I said, 4 by r cube into sine 2 theta. Yes, we have now here 4 by r cube into sine 2 theta. See, simple. Here plus sign we have. Okay. And in this equation, what we have here, this minus we will send inside so that here plus will come. So when you send inside minus cos 2 theta plus alternative sign will get now plus sine 2 theta. So what will get cancelled? So here this is changed, minus 2 by r cube into plus 2 by r cube. Now 2 by r cube is common. Okay. So what is opposite sign? Same terms. That is minus cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta get cancelled to give sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta, 2 sin 2 theta. So 2 2s are 4. So that is 4 by r cube into sin theta. So when you know it, how to subtract, so it is easy. Directly you can able to do. Next, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what we get? 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta. 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta. Now as you know, UR, VR and f dash of z. What is f dash of z? Very, very important. F dash of z is ux plus ivx for Cartesian form, but polar form e power minus I theta into ur plus I into vr. So what is common here? In the place of ur minus 2 by r cube. So 2 by r cube, 2 by r cube is common. So 2 by r cube. So minus also we took outside, or else if you are getting tough means you can write directly. See here, e power minus I theta of ur place minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta plus I into 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta. Close the bracket. Now what is common? See the common terms. 2 by r cube, 2 by r cube is common. So when you take it outside, and we took minus also common. So if you take, if you don't take, so that's your wish. So if you take minus as common, so what happened? This minus we took outside here, plus we took outside. So here it will become alternative sign. That is minus I sin 2 theta, because we took minus 2 by r cube as common. Now, see, instead of doing this method, I'll write one more method. So that is very, very easy. Okay. So now we have this step. So from here to here, I'll write. So what to do means, as you know before, put r is equal to put r is equal to z, theta is equal to 0. So what happened when you put r is equal to z, theta is equal to 0, and f dash of z will be equal to minus 2 divided by r cube, that is z cube, correct? This step we should see. Okay, minus 2 divided by z cube, then e power I minus I into 0, that is e power 0. So open bracket cos 0 minus I into sin 0, correct? Cos 0 minus I into sin 0. So what expression we get? See, minus 2 by z cube into e power 0 is 1, correct? Into open bracket cos 0 is 1 minus I into sin 0 is 0. So it is minus 2 divided by z cube into 1 minus 1 is 1. So we get just minus 2 by z cube as f dash of z, or else this method also okay, but instead of doing this cos 2 theta minus I sin 2 theta is e power minus 2 I theta. So minus 2 I theta minus I theta minus 3 I theta, because bases are same, powers can be added. Then when you send it to denominator, you'll get r into e power I theta. We know r into e power I theta is z. So we got r into e power I theta is z. So minus 2 by z cube. This method also okay, but this method is good no, because e power 0 we know value, cos 0 value you know, sin 0 value you know. So you can use those values and you get minus 2 by z cube as the answer. So this is how we got that value. Now what we have, minus 2 by z cube as f dash of z. So f dash of z is minus 2 by z cube. Then what is f of z? So when you integrate minus 2 into integration of 1 by z cube, that is integration of z power minus 3, correct, plus c. So with respect to z we are doing. So what happened, minus 2 into z power minus 3 integration is z power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, correct? So minus 2 into z power minus 3 plus 1 is z power minus 2 divided by minus 2. So minus 2 get cancelled to give z power minus 2. When you send it to denominator, we will get 1 by z square plus c as the answer. So you can use any method. See, two methods I have explained. So which method is easy, you can use that method. So this is how we got z power minus 2 plus c, or 1 by z square plus c. So put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0, you must do. So this is about today's problems. Yes. Stop the record, man.